And here, what is the already we are using in HTML structure. In that HTML structure, we are using the many tags. But in the scenario is we are using the one thing and style tag. We are apply the styles, right? And HTML tag, that will be the root element, right? HTML means what here? This is the root element, right? Here, style tag. What is a style tag? Here we are applying all the CSS part, right? All the CSS part we are applying. Here we are applying all the HTML part, right? Already here we are applying here all the HTML and CSS part. And the thing is here the mainly we are going to performing the already existing the HTML code. We are applying the CSS styles, right? For using the style tag, or else we are creating another file that will be the .css, and we are writing in that CSS into that files, right? So we are giving the just a basic link over there using the link tag, and we are applying all the scenarios over there, right? So here, and the thing is here we are using the script tag. This one is script tag. Here we are writing the JavaScript as well. What is the JavaScript here? The JavaScript will be performs the dynamically thing, right? So here the dynamically thing, here the JavaScript is performed, and here the HTML part, what we it will doing, this will be doing the static thing. So this will be the doing the static thing, and here also it will doing the static thing. We don't have any action performs here, right? So only the script tag we are using, and the code tag, and we are having the p tag and pre-formatted tag and all things we are applying here. And here the code tag we are applying in computer computer code in HTML, right? Using this code, we are writing the code designing purpose. So for that, we are using this the code tag, and we are now we are I'm going to teaching you that the computer code today. Okay, computer code means computer code in HTML. It refers to the use of the code tag to display, okay, to display programming code in a monospace. So only the monospace, the single space is happen over there, okay. So the font will be changed as per there, okay. Just a moment. And here already you know how to apply these all the things. Just a basic just a normal example I'm going to show you that. Open this folder, and instead of the folder we have the HTML folder, and after that going select this path and take CMD, and the it is open your command prompt here, and so here code space dot enter. So what happens here, the command prompt has to be open. So here you can take file computer code dot html, enter. Okay, so here the bytecode, enter, and you can take the title one here, that will be the computer code. Okay, so we have how many types of htmls we have? We have the two types of htmls. Here I am writing outside of the body, I have taken the page title here. Okay, so here just normally I'm applying the computer code here. After that, using the style session, I will apply all the things. So h2, what is the h2 here? The h2 is the second highest heading tag, right? So here I'm taking just normal thing, displaying code in html. Okay, this example I'm taking some. And after that, what is the p tag here? The p tag means the paragraph tag. Okay, so here is here I'm writing here is a simple Python code I'm writing, or else okay, simple Python code I will write here. Okay, using script. Okay, next, what is the pre tag here? What is a pre tag? That is the pre-formatted tag, right? And using the code here, I'm writing the sample code here. Okay, here what is the just in Python language I'm writing. I'm applying just a normal code, and the functions I'm using here, and print print here hello world. Okay, so here the output will be present only the hello. Okay, so here I'm writing the function as well. I'm calling the return function here. So the code will be happens here like this, and after that the pre-formatted tag will be ended. And here I'm writing just message purpose I'm writing here. So in the p tag I'm writing inline code. Okay, example I'm taking. Okay, how you are performing the spellings and all the things, commas, full stops and all the things, it will be present in your browser as well. Okay, here the command I'm taking, so in the code level only. Okay, in the code tag only I'm applying here. So ls means what? Ls means list, right? So I'm applying like that. So here a list files in Linux, just normal things. Okay, and after that I'm taking the p tag, just normal designing purpose I'm taking. I'm writing here output sample program output. Okay, so here smp samp. Okay, here hello world. So here this one, the sample, the thing is happened here, the output, the pre-formatted tag and all the tags I have added there. And here I'm going to adding the css file now. Just I'm going to creating the style tag here. Okay, style tag and body, font, family. Here Arial and default thing I'm going to take here, and adding 20 pics. Okay, so already we have the pre-formatted tag. Here I'm going to using the background color. The background color I'm going to take, okay, some named color I have taken. And the padding, the padding will mean what? The padding will be spaces between forces of corners. Okay, and the pixels. After that, border, I'm taking what border means, around of the border radius, the curve will be happen. Okay, so 5 pixels I'm going to take here. And after that, overflow I'm taking. So overflow means the scroll bars has to be present over there. And the X type I'm going to take here, and it will take level auto. Okay, and the border left 4 pixel solid black. Okay, and code on font family. What is the font family? The default one I'm going to take in HTML. That will be the uh, that will be Arial. That will be the Arial. The font family I'm taking. So the font one I'm going to take, just a minute. Font family, that will be the monospace. Okay, and color I'm taking the font color, that will be red one. Okay, just I'm applying the name color here. Okay, so we will see. Open in default browser, so it will apply like this, but it is not good that much of good to see, right? So I will apply for this, the background color will be, I will take as a white. Okay, so look and good we need. So see here, this will be the, or else you can take as a hash, you can apply hash. It's not applying. Gray. For the gray color, it is not good, right? So for that, I will take the color will be the white. Okay, this will be the text color. So how the apply the computer code, and this the example